3/8" barrel. It has a ported muzzle. You'll notice it's got a vented top rib. It's got great sights, unbelievable trigger. The grip on it is soft. It does have a substantial amount of recoil. That's in the grip. Being soft like that helps. The weight of it is pretty heavy, so that helps. Being ported makes it loud, so you're going to need a good set of ears. I'm shooting a 300 grain bullet out of this bad boy, and it shoots over 1,600 feet per second. I'll tell you more about the gun a little bit, but what we're going to do, we're going to hop into my little tree house right here after we get our scent cleared out. See if we can kill a pig this evening. Look down, look down, way in the bottom down there. That looks like it's a boar. It's probably a boar all by himself coming in, following up. Okay. All right, see him going up in there. He's like sniffing that other one's butt. It's the back one, yeah. Got him. It was pretty doggone incredible, and I cannot believe the way this blind looks like somebody carved the blind out. All right, this was about a 40-yard shot.